apologize for the fan noise, but I just got finished. And this is still Tuesday. Oh my goodness. Do I even? Maybe I should post this instead of the crying vlog. Maybe show you enough of that crying vlog to make you understand that this is how I deal with things. Good morning from the tiny. It's almost 7 a.m. This morning, I'm just so discouraged. I got two choices: stay or leave. I could just stay here. It just scares me because I am totally reliant on having water brought in. But I'm going to keep persevering, I guess. So my decision is, do I just stay here and risk it? What's the worst that could happen? I could sell it for the bare minimum just to get me free. Take what'll fit in my truck and the tiny, my dogs, and just be on the road. Don't go anywhere but to the next camping place. I made this decision to come here because I didn't think anybody else wanted me, and Bob did. So I came here. And before anybody thinks that I think that I'm the only one, I know that. I know all of us, everybody's struggling in different ways over different things. Maybe show you enough of that crying vlog to make you understand that this is how I deal with things. I do really big stuff. Big, hard, heavy stuff. All that anxious energy that was all in there, it's gone now. Oh, I sweat it out. Do I feel better? No. Do I feel accomplished? Yes. I needed to get the refrigerator out of my truck because it is overworking the small inverter I have in there. It was great in the winter, and it gave me a halfway point. In another week or so, I need to be sleeping in here because it just simply gets too hot. I cannot keep it cool enough in there during the day. Right now, I can manage to keep it down to about 90, but after the sun goes down, it was still 90. It was so much cooler outside, and everything absorbs the heat. So it's akin to trying to sleep in an oven. Okay, I'm not going to make this a long video. I promised myself. I just wanted to show you that old ladies with the bandaged knee can take a licking and keep on ticking. Did you see that door blow and hit me in the backside twice? About knocked the breath out of me. I might regret it tomorrow. Hopefully. I'll still be able to walk because I, Betty Demers, lifted a refrigerator.
Well,
It's nice that I get to talk to y'all and cry a little bit. Thanks. And just so you know, I can take a shower anytime I want. What a blessing. So many blessings. I pray that y'all will find joy in the midst of all the chaos. I love y'all.
Take this with you where you go. You are love, love, love.